Okay. World Tour. Part 2. Yeah, buddy. Oops. Now's for noise. Don't hit me. I just want to talk. Alright. Come on, lightning. Hit one of these creepers. I didn't like that, did you? Bitch, right. This is my chicken farm. Come on. Yeah. Thank you. Come again. Yeah, this is Mumbo Jumbo's chicken farm. Looks pretty good. Let's see what we got. Oh, I got tons of chicken. Eggs. Alrighty then. Let's kill this guy. I've got these depth strider boots that just kick butt. Playing around in water and a lightning storm. Is that safe? Why? Bitch. She spawned right in the water. There's my skeleton statue. No. Look at his sword. No, I can't believe it. So I was trying to get these furnace mine carts. They didn't work quite right. Give me them pearls. Yeah, you post. Yeah, I've got it set to hard. Oh, shoot your buddy. Right in the back. Thank you. Come again. Yeah, these things are a pain in the ass. Let's see. Back with the world tree. Back over there is my Guardian Farm. Guardian Monument. That bitch. Take the underground. Tunnel to it. But that's it. The bottom half was the first part of this thing. And I cleared all this water out by hand with sponges. Ah, shit, that was right next to me. I'm not lying, honest. I cleared all this water out by hand. That's before I found out the set block commands, and I did all these walls for sand. You can see all the leftover stuff. But, and then I found the set block commands, and I just made this glass, and did this second half of this thing, that's 15 by 15, I believe it's 8 blocks to the lava, so the water doesn't get down and mess up the lava. And it was just too small, so I added another 8 blocks from it out all the way around. And those fences were a big pain in the butt, or those gates. But anyways, I'll take a look down there. Whee! Whee! Ouch. Spider. See how I already robbed it earlier. Hey, what the hell blew up? Son of a creeper. Don't see any damage. Let's go up top. But yeah, see, that's the original. And then that's the add-on. Jesus, weather. get struck by lightning. That was crazy crap, man. Look at those things. So yeah, that's my place. My original spawn was way that way. And I was strip mining this way. And I heard this farm. So that's how or this monument, I heard those guys clear from the caves down there for my strip mine. Yeah. So that's my Marine farm. I don't know. I like the sea lanterns. Sword is baller. See, they're running. Run, you little bastards. Uh-oh. You fast bastards. Oh, you're running like hell, too. They're all running for the villagers. Let's go take a look at my skeleton spawner. Whoa. Frames per second there. No, it's west. That's set. They're just coming up. It's just coming up. And there's my skelly spawner. So the spawner's straight down here, and then underneath that is a hole in the middle where they drop down 22 meters, I guess. And then they ride along this way, and up my mob elevator, and down into here. And there's my hopper into this car. And there. kill him with this zombie jerky. Jeez. Come on. Come on, skellies. What happened? What in that spot? There we go. Come on, boys. The water's fine. But yeah, that's shit. Get out of here. Do you want to leave? Let's kill you. Yeah. Alright, cows. Noisy fucking cows. And we'll go down to the mob grinder. This other one, my zombie grinder's right down low here. I need some potions. think over here I'm close to 16 blocks away from that spawner. Some kind of a little splash portion. So anyways, we got this. I saw this grinder on YouTube. It's pretty cool. It just stops them from traveling. We don't want to start crushing them. This right here is a crusher. This is 21 repeaters, 4 clicks. Which gets them down to like a heart. Stop them from running in. And that wasn't very long. If I stood there, I seen 500 in there when I AFK'd the TV for a while. That's pretty cool. I've got 2 of them. I got one that spawned way back over there, and I found them both just by going. I found the first one by going down, and then I found this one by coming up. About the same spot too. Alright, so I guess that's it. We'll see you later. Have fun. Bye-bye.